नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अभिषेक फिर से आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ। बहुत सारे कमेंट्स, सुझाव और सजेशंस के बाद ये लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट थी कि एमसीक्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस को पोस्ट किया जाए। तो दोस्तों, आज की ये क्लास करंट अफेयर्स, अक्टूबर पूरा मंथ कवर्ड है और अक्टूबर मंथ के जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको हमने कवर किया है एमसीक्यू रूप में। तो आशा है आपको इससे मदद मिलेगी और आपके आने वाले एग्जाम्स, अलग अलग तरह के एग्जाम्स में ये लाभकारी सिद्ध होगा। तो दोस्तों, आइए शुरू करते हैं। देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच कंपनी रिसेंटली परमानेंटली स्टॉप द गैलेक्सी नोट 7 प्रोडक्शन? See, this is very simple question. Galaxy, which company is releasing Galaxy? Options are Sony, Samsung, Mi Mobile and LG. So the correct answer is answer B, Samsung. South Korean tech giant Samsung has permanently ceased the production of its highest Galaxy Note 7 after reports of device it had deemed safe catching fire. The firm has already reduced the Galaxy 7 production volumes. Next question. Which state created 21 new district? Total goes to 31 on 11th October. गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश, तेलंगाना एंड बिहार। किस राज्य के अब 21 नए डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऐड होकर के टोटल 31 डिस्ट्रिक्ट बन चुके हैं? तो आंसर है दोस्तों इसका तेलंगाना। आंसर सी। As many as 21 new districts would have come into existence in Telangana on the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashmi, 11th October 2016. With these, the total number of districts in the state would go up to 31. Next question. Oliver Hart and Bengt Holmstrom win the Nobel Prize 2016 in the economics for the work on inflation, interest rate, contracts or saving account. The correct answer is answer C, contracts. Two professors from Harvard and MIT have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics for contribution to contract theory, the agreement that shape business, finance and public policy. PM Narendra Modi addresses gathering at the Dussehra Mahotsav in which city? As you all know, as you watch the news, whether it is Delhi, Surat, Varanasi or Lucknow. Answer is simple, it is D, Lucknow. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addressed a public gathering at the Dussehra Mahotsav at the Aish Bagh Ramlila ground in the Lucknow on 11th October 2016. India ranked at which position out of 118 nations in the Global Hunger Index? ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स में इंडिया की क्या रैंक है? 95, 96, 97 और 98? पुट द गेसेस फ्रेंड्स. The correct answer is C, 97th. The India secured 97th rank in a survey of 118 nations by the International Food Policy Research Institute Global Hunger Index in 2016, behind Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Next question. Bob Dylan wins 2016 Nobel Prize for Literature. He is a poet, singer, novelist or historian? Bob Dylan, very famous person. Friends, answer is B. He is a singer. The singer and the songwriter Bob Dylan, one of the world's most influential musicians, was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Literature on Thursday for having created new poetic expression within the great American song tradition, in the words of the Swedish Academy. Come to the next question, friends. King Bhumibol Aulyadesh, who dies on the 13th October, was the king of Japan, England, Thailand or North Korea? Correct answer is C, Thailand. Thailand venerated king. The world's long monarch has died at the age of 88, the royal palace announced. Name the country that in October 2016 formally joined China's One Belt One Road initiative. Options are India, Pakistan, Myanmar or Bangladesh. Answer is D, Bangladesh. Bangladesh formally joined the China's flagship One Belt One Road initiative. According to the joint statement issued on the visit, a MOU on the initiative was signed along with a number of deals in the presence of 11th and the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina after her official talk on 14th October 2016. Which company buy the SR Oil for $13 billion in largest FDI deal activity? recently? Options are ONGC, British Oil, Ronseft, Oil India. Answer is C, Russia. Ronseft, Russia's state-controlled oil giant Ronseft and its partner took over the India's second biggest private oil firm Essar Oil in the all-cash deal valued all about $13 billion. BRICS BIMSTEC outreach summit began on 15th October in which city? Delhi, Goa, Mumbai or Chennai? Answer is B, Goa. India is hosting the 8th BRICS summit in the Goa, where head of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa will sit across from each other to discuss the matter of mutual interest and global challenges. India signs defense deal with which country on 15th October 2016? Is it USA, Russia, Japan or England? The correct answer is B, Russia. India and Russia on 15th October sealed a number of big ticket defense deals, including purchase of missile system and joint production of helicopter, besides deciding to deepen cooperation in a range of crucial sectors, even as the two close allies resolved to fight the menace of terrorism untreated. Which automaker launched India's first indigenous zero-emission electric bus on 17th October 2016? Is it Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, TVS Motors or Maruti Suzuki? Explanation is B, Ashok Leyland. Commercial vehicle major Ashok Leyland on 17th October 2016 launched India's first electric bus series that has been fully made in our country. Who of the following was appointed as the member of IOC Athletes Commission? PV Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal or Gopi Chand? See, this question is very simple. It was very famous in the news. It is C. In a rare honor for an Indian sportsperson, star shuttler Saina Nehwal has been appointed as a member of International Olympic Committee Athletes Commission. Saina received a letter to the effect from the IOC President Thomas Bach on 17 October 2016. PM Narendra Modi launches the National SC/ST Hub and Zero Effect on Environment scheme for MSME sector in which city? Is it Lucknow, Alwar, Ludhiana or Pune? Answer is C. Explanation. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 18th October launches the National SC/ST Hub and the Zero Effect ZED scheme for MSME at Ludhiana in Punjab. The 43rd India International Knit Fair will be held in which city? Chennai, Tirupur, Delhi, Surat. The correct answer is B, Tirupur. The 43rd India International Knit Fair is scheduled between October 19 and 21 at the Indian Knit Fair Complex, Tirupur in Tamil Nadu, India. Tirupur District Collector S. Jayanti is scheduled to inaugurate the event. Which naval craft commissioned in Indian Navy on 19th October 2016? INS Maitreyi, INS Surya, INS Tiau, INS Kochi? C. INS Tiau. Indian Navy commissioned the highly maneuverable fast attack craft INS Tiau at the Eastern Naval Command on 19th October 2016. The ship was commissioned into the Indian Navy by Vice Admiral HCS Bist AVSM ADC Flag Officer Commanding in Chief Eastern Naval Command at the formal ceremony held at the Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. To the next question. The first ever international conference on water education has started in which country? Is it Sri Lanka, Japan, USA or India? Option is D, India. The first ever international conference on water education has started in New Delhi from October 20, 2016 and is organized by the Election Commission of India. The topic of the conference is water education for inclusive. It is advised to the viewers that they should keep all these points in their mind and they should view this video 2-3 times so that all these important points they can keep in their mind while attempting the question. Not only this question, but if a question is infused under these points, they were able to solve that questions. Coming to the next question. Which football club on 19th October 2016 became the first Indian team to reach the finals of the prestigious AFC Cup? Delhi Football Club, Kolkata Football Club, Goa Football Club, or Bengaluru Football Club? Answer is D. Bengaluru Football Club created footballing history as it became the first ever Indian team to reach the final of the Asian Football Confederation AFC Cup on 19th October 2016. Friends, keep all the dates in your mind. The second joint tactical exercise SINOINDIA Cooperation 2016 has been held in which city? Jodhpur, Ladakh, Delhi, Kutch. Answer is B. Ladakh. The second joint tactical exercise Sino-India Cooperation 2016 has been held in India and the China in the area of border personal meeting hut at the Chushul garrison of the eastern Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir. Which city has topped the 2016 Global Power City Index GPCI? Delhi, Tokyo, Mumbai, London. Answer is D. London has topped the 2016 Global Power City Index as per as the 2016 report which was recently released by the Japan-based Mori Memorial Foundation Institute for the Urban Strategies. Milan has honored which human rights leader on 20 October 2016? Dalai Lama, Desmond Tutu, Mahatma Gandhi, none of these. Answer A. Milan City Council bestowed honorary citizenship on Dalai Lama on 20 October 2016 over the objection of the Chinese embassy, which indicated that the gestures will have negative effect on the regional cooperation and the bilateral relations. 10th India-United States Trade Policy Forum concludes in which city on 21st October? Is it Mumbai, New York, Boston, Delhi? Option D. The 10th India-United States Trade Policy Forum concludes in Delhi on 21st October 2016. India urged US to finalize Social Security Pact to ease movement of IT professionals and dispels US misconceptions regarding the India's IPR regime. Which ministry on 21st October launches UDAN scheme? Women Development, Defense Ministry, Civil Aviation, none of these. Explanations. Answer is C. Civil Aviation Ministry. The Ministry of Civil Aviation took a major step towards making flying a reality for the small town common man. Hitler's secret Nazi base was discovered recently at which place? USA, Australia, Arctic, South Arctic. Answer C. Arctic. Scientists have discovered a secret Nazi base built on the direct orders from the German dictator Adolf Hitler, located 1000 kilometers from the North Pole. Almaty Dam is located in which of the following states? Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka. Answer is D. Karnataka. The Almaty Dam is a hydroelectrical project on the Krishna River at the Balakot district in the North Karnataka. It is in the news because the dam has been chosen for the World Bank Award of Excellence. Friends, keep this in mind. This dam has been chosen for the World Bank Award of Excellence for the best utilization of funds of 72 crores for the renovation to increase the strength of the dam. Which country's parliament voted on 22nd October to ban the sale, import and production of alcohol? Iran, Iraq, Bahrain, Qatar. Answer B. Iraq. Iraq parliament on 22nd October voted to ban the sale, import and production of alcohol in a surprise move to anger minorities, but please state religious parties. PM Narendra Modi on 24 October launches the URGA Ganga gas pipeline project in which city? Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Varanasi. Answer D. Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 24th October launches the Urga Ganga gas pipeline project in the Varanasi. Cyrus Ministry removed as Tata Sons chairman on 24th October, and who is appointed the interim chairman of the Tata Sons? TV Narendran, Ratan Tata, Natarajan Chandrasekharan, H.K. Senta. Answer B. Ratan Tata. Tata Sons, the holding company of India's largest business group, said on 24th October it had decided to replace the Cyrus Ministry as chairman. A statement issued by the board did not give the reason, only that the Ratan Tata chairman before the ministry they will hold the position for 4 months and search panel will look for a replacement for the ministry. Mitra Shakti 2016. Mitra Shakti 2016, a joint military exercise has been started between India and which country? USA, Japan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka. Answer D, Sri Lanka. The fourth edition of the India-Sri Lanka joint military exercise Mitra Shakti 2016 has started at the Singha Regiment Center in MV Pusa, Sri Lanka from 24th October and will be continued till 6 November 2016. The International Hockey Federation on 25th October appointed whom as the new CEO? Kelly Fairweather, Jason McCarron, Seb Blatter, none of the above. Answer B, Jason McCarron. The International Hockey Federation FIH on 25th October 2016 appointed New Zealand Jason McCarron as the new CEO. He will take over as FIH on February 2017, replacing Kelly Fairweather, leaving for the International Tennis Federation after 6 years in the role. Who won the 2016 Formula 1 United States Grand Prix? Daniel Ricciardo, Nico Rosberg, Sebastian Vettel, Lewis Hamilton. Answer is D. Lewis Hamilton, a British Formula 1 racing driver from England and racing for the Mercedes-AMG Petronas, has won the 2016 Formula 1 and United States Grand Prix at the Circuit of America, Austin, Texas and United States. The deposit portfolio of Indian Bank crossed which milestone figure as on 30 September 2016 as disclosed during the October 2016? Rupees 1000 trillions, rupees 100 billions, rupees 100 trillions, rupees 10,000 trillions. The answer is C. It has crossed rupees 100 trillions. The deposit portfolio of Indian banks crossed the rupees 100 trillion mark as on 30 September 2016. The collective deposit base of the banking system in India, which is Asia's third largest and the world's fastest growing major economy, took 5 years and 7 months to double from 50.46 trillion in February 2011. One-man judicial panel submit report on OROP on 26 October 2016. It was headed by Rajnath Singh, L. Narasimha Reddy, M. Niranjan Reddy, Ranjit Sinha. Answer is B. L. Narasimha Reddy. The one-man judicial committee on one rank one pension submitted its report to the Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar in New Delhi on 26 October 2016. What is the India's rank in WEF Global Gender Gap Index for 2016? 100, 36, 87th, 105. Answer is C, 87th position. India has been ranked 87th out of 144 countries on the World Economic Forum WEF Global Gender Gap Index for 2016, improving from 108 position in 2015. Which Indian documentary wins the CAM International Film Festival? Unknown Road, Daughter of Mother India, Pink, Lipstick in Burqa. Answer B, Daughters of the Mother India. Indian documentary film Daughters of the Mother India, directed by Vibha Bakshi, has won at the 6th CAM International Film Festival in Cairo. National Ayurveda Day is celebrated throughout India on which day? 28th October, 2nd October, 1st November, 15th November. Answer is A, 28th October. National Ayurveda Day to be celebrated throughout the country on 28th October. On the occasion of the National Ayurveda Day, the Ministry of Ayush is organizing a one-day national seminar on the prevention and control of diabetes through Ayurveda on 28th October 2016 at New Delhi. During October 2016, which entity became the first commodity exchange to lose recognition of commodities from FMC in September 2015? BSE, MCX, BCEL, ASE. Answer is C, BECL. The Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, on 29 October 2016 allowed Bombay Commodity Exchange BECL to exit the commodity future business with immediate effect. It also asked the exchange to drop the term exchange from its name and avoid its use in any variant. Antarctica, which sea has been declared the world's largest marine protected area? Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, Black Sea, Ross Sea. Answer is D. Ross Sea. Antarctica's Ross Sea has been declared the world's largest marine protected area (MPA) after the landmark international agreement among the 24 countries and the European Union in the Commission of the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources (CCAMLR) meeting in the Hobart, Australia. PM Narendra Modi celebrate Diwali with soldier in which state? Jammu and Kashmir, Chhattisgarh, Nagaland or Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. Prime Minister celebrated Diwali with jawans at the border close to China, lots and sacrifices and patriotism of soldiers in defending the country. Who wins the Asian Champions Trophy 2016? India, China, Bangladesh, Pakistan. Answer is A. India. India emerged as the champions of the Asian Champion Trophy 2016 by beating Pakistan 32 in the final in the Malaysia on 30 October 2016. India took the lead in the 18th minute through the Rupinder Pal Singh. Vigilance Awareness Week commenced from 1st November, 30 October, 31st October, 15th November. Correct answer is C. 31st October. The Central Vigilance Commission has a part its effort to promote probity in the public life and to achieve a corruption-free society. Observe Vigilance Awareness Week every year. India celebrated the National Unity Day on 31st October to mark the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Nation celebrate the National Unity Day on 31st October to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who has won 2016 Formula 1 Japanese Grand Prix? Kimi Raikkonen, Nico Rosberg, Max Verstappen, Sebastian Vettel. Answer is B. Nico Rosberg, a German Formula 1 driver for Mercedes Formula 1 team, has won the 2016 Formula 1 Emirates Japanese Grand Prix at Mie Prefecture, Japan. Which statement is true about the August 2016 IIP data? IIP falls 0.7% in August 2016. IIP remains unchanged. IIP increased by 2% in August 2016. IIP increased by 1.2% in August 2016. The correct answer is answer A. IIP falls 0.7% in August 2016. Industrial protection contracted for a second straight month in the August 2016, raising doubt over manufacturing recovery and justifying the interest rate cut by the Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) last week. INS Sumitra visit Surabaya and on 10 to 12 October 2016, Indonesia, Japan, Lagos, Congo. Answer is A. Indonesia. In pursuit of the India's Act East policy and outreach to friendly countries, Indian Navy's offshore patrol vessel Sumitra has arrived at Surabaya, Indonesia on a 2-day visit from 10 to 12 October 2016 as part of its development to the southwestern Pacific Ocean. Which state government launches the Samajwadi Party Smartphone Yojana on 10th October? Bihar, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is answer D. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav on 10th October launched the Samajwadi Party Smartphone Yojana in Lucknow. What is growth forecast for India in financial year 2017 by the World Economic Outlook WEO report? 7.1%, 8.2%, 10% or 7.6%? The correct answer is D. 7.6%. As per the latest revised edition of the World Economic Outlook WEO report of the International Monetary Fund, India's GDP growth forecast has been raised by 0.2% to 7.6% for financial year 2017. Yusuf Arakal, who passed away recently, was a well-known personality of which field? Cricket, politics, painting or business? Correct answer is painting. Yusuf Karakal, 71 years, who recently passed away in Bengaluru, was a Malayali painter and was known for his contribution to the world of the abstract and the contemporary art. He was also known for his work in typical social issues. Which states on 7th October became the 17th state to join Uday scheme? Punjab, Maharashtra, Kerala, Delhi. Answer is Maharashtra. Government of India signed a memorandum of understanding with the Government of Maharashtra and Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Co Limited under the Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana at State Power Ministry Conference in Vadodara on 7th October 2016. Who won the 2016 Nobel Peace Prize? Barack Obama, European Union, Jules Manuel Santos, Sheikh Hasina. Correct answer is C. Colombian President Juan Manuel Santos won the Nobel Peace Prize on 7th October for his efforts to end Latin America's long-running conflict and horror that came just 5 days after the Colombian voter dealt him a stunning blow by rejecting a peace deal with left-wing rebels. So friends, these were the very important questions from October 2016. It is advised to view this video 2-3 times so that you can keep all the important points in your mind. You are able to crack the exam and you are able to solve the questions from October month. Friends, in our next video we are going to have a video on which we will solve and will search the important applications which are useful to prepare current affairs. Then we are going to have some videos on the intense study of the question paper of TGT, PGT and PRT, how to attempt and the time management of different exams. Thank you.